So guys, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for everyday videos, and please like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for latest video updates. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As we all know, summer is a season of skin dryness. There are multiple factors that combine to make your skin irritable during summer. Hot weather increases water loss from the body, leading to dehydration. So today I am going to share a refreshing DIY recipe of watermelon face mask. Without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, हमारा first ingredient है watermelon. Watermelon hydrates our skin, acts as a skin toner, prevents skin from aging, soothes our sunburn and rashes, and makes your skin healthy and glowing. So watermelon is the most important ingredient of this face mask. So first of all, we have to take a bowl. So guys, we have to take 2 to 3 slices of watermelon. If you can grind the watermelon in grinder and make a pulp out of it. I'm directly taking this watermelon slices. So second ingredient is our rice flour. Rice flour helps in making skin brightening, prevents wrinkles and pimples from your face, and soak excess oil from your skin, and act as a natural exfoliator for your skin. So I'm crushing this because I have not grind watermelon slices. So guys, हमारा third ingredient है curd. Both curd and rice flour helps in making skin brightening, whitening and lightening, and both rice flour and curd even out our complexion, makes your skin lighter, and it also removes blackheads and whiteheads from your face, and it also makes your skin baby soft and plump, and it also helps in removing pigmentation from your face. So both the ingredients we have to mix it well, and we have to make a thick paste. I'm mixing it very well because I have not grinded the watermelon slices, so we have to mix it very properly to make a thick paste. And after mixing it, we can see that there is a pinkish color of a face pack, and this look amazing. As you can see, there is light pink color of a face pack. So guys, you can see that our mixture is completely ready. So our fourth ingredient for this is a lemon. We have to take a few drops of lemon, and lemon contain vitamin C, and it reduces skin damage from your skin, and it also reduces premature aging from your face, and it also reduces inflammation from your skin. Lemon is an natural agent for a skin lightening, brightening. So this is optional, you can skip it also, but I have to put it. We have to mix it well properly, both the ingredients. As you can see, our mixture is completely ready for your apply. So guys, our face pack is completely ready to apply. I'm going to apply on my hands. You can apply on your face. And this face mask, when you apply on your face, you feel like cooling sensation because watermelon is cool, and it gives you cooling sensation, and it feels very good on your face. So we have to apply it very properly. So guys, this face mask helps in making your skin glowing, and it also hydrates your skin, and it gives you a glowing and healthy skin. It also boosts collagen production on your skin and makes your skin more elastic, and it also slows down your aging process and reduce fine lines or wrinkles, pigmentation. And this face mask is best in summers, as watermelon is in summers is the most common fruit. So this is like a fruit face mask, and this is the best face mask you can apply in summers, and it is really awesome when you apply in your face. So guys, after applying it, we have to wash it after 15 minutes, and this face mask you can apply it twice in a week, and this face mask. And if you guys want the watermelon toner, so please comment in the comment box, so I will also make a video on the watermelon toner for summers. So I hope guys you like my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.